A knife should be felt before it is seen is a common Filipino martial arts knife fighting maxim. Here you see me training some knife combatives based on the Medusa edged weapon system, the Western Piper method, and a little bit of influence from the Libra system, as well, of course, as some Filipino martial arts. Because regardless of what tactics I am using from whatever combative system I am practicing, my knife skills come from my Eskrima and Arnis training. But let's talk about this common maxim that we hear in Filipino martial arts. This is a very sound tactic when it comes to using lethal force. But for civilians, we need to add the caveat, a knife should be felt before it is seen if lethal force is reasonable to the situation. This is why I love training the Medusa system, where I hit with my empty hands and draw the knife. A knife drawn too soon forces you to be into a conflict where lethal force or potentially lethal force is being used. I know that anyone who trains in Eskrima or knife combatives understands this. I know I show myself training this level of force quite often, but I train to be able to scale my use of force. I've said that in many videos. A knife should be felt before it is seen if you are in an extremely lethal situation and all you have is a knife. You could apply that to a gun. You could apply that to other weapons as well. If you can conceal the weapon until you need it, it should be concealed, even if it's concealed in hand, as the Western Piper method is so good at doing. A knife should be felt before it is seen in only the most rare of circumstances. A knife should never be used in most violent confrontations, especially if you're involved in social violence that you could have avoided and you chose to be part of. There is so much more to this than just following these maxims blindly, and that is important to understand. However, train for the worst case scenario, but also train for the most realistic scenario as well. Thank you.